Are you struggling to connect your React application with a PHP backend? Hey everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how easily you can connect your React application with a PHP backend. So let's go to the screen. For how we can connect the React application, I have this React app, and it's a normal React app, and inside the source directory I have this app.js. So the default code I have changed with this code, and let's go to the screen and see how is it looking. So I have run that npm run start, and this is the page React handling, dynamic form handling. So I have given two fields, the name and the email, and these are just the input fields, and these fields we will be sending to our PHP backend. And now if I just go you through the code, so you can see here we have first just go to the HTML part. So here I have the heading, then I have the response message. So in case the data that we send is going to that backend, and then we receive something, so we will get the response message over here. Then we have this form. So it's a normal React form. We are using this label, this input, and we have two inputs, one for the name and one for the email. And then we have this button over here. And now over on the click of this button, so basically we want to connect this front end that is completely in React, and we want to actually use it in backend. We want to connect it with the backend. So what I have done is that I have this fetch API call, and this API call is going to the server that I have on my PHP. So if I just make you see the server, so here you can see this file, it is running on my local XAMPP server, Apache server. So I have the submit.php file, and here I am because I'm using it on the same machine. So I have used this access control, allow origin, everything, and here I am just decoding, JSON decoding the data that I am seeing, and the data whatever is received in this file, it will just get it stored in this data variable. And then if I get the data and I get the name field out of that data, so then I will send this response that status is success, and message I will be sending is data received and the name. Otherwise, if I don't get that, then I will sending this message as if we don't get any data. And if I just make you check that on the front end, so here you can see this is localhost, and if I refresh, there is no data in this type of request. That's why I'm getting this error and no data received. But now like what I'm doing is I'm also using the states, so to that actually happens in React. So this is how we are having the state. So form data, it's everything is stored in that, and in that state. And when we are submitting that form, then upon that submission, we are making this fetch request, and where this is going, it is going to that same location of that submit.php file. Method is the post. Header we are sending is that content type is application /json, and then in the body we are sending our form data. Then if we receive any response, we are converting that to the JSON, and then we are doing this console.log, and when we receive it, we are sending the set response message, and as soon as we get the response message, we will have this data.message. Now let's go to the front end to see how it works. Okay, so here I will first go on my form, I'll refresh it, and let's suppose I send the name and I send the email ID, and I click on submit. Then what should ideally be happening is that this request should go to my PHP backend that I have over there, and through that I will just make the connection. So yes, data received Ashi, and that is this is I am actually getting from my PHP backend, not through the this React app. So this easily you can actually communicate within the React and within the PHP. This is it for this video. If you have any doubt, you can just always let me know in the comments box below, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.